Hey everybody, myself Charan, running a software development company. In today's video, we are going to see how to create an EC2 instance and login using an SSH. Let us get started. I'm using a Mac right now. This step is same for both Mac as well as Linux. Let's get started quickly. I have logged into my AWS account already. Now I'm going to the search bar and typing EC2. I'm going into the EC2 instance dashboard. Now I'm going to the instance tab. So here I can see already I'm running up a 2 EC2 instance. I'm going to launch a new instance. Clicking on the launch instance, I'm going to name it as an YouTube testing. And I'm going to prefer going with an Ubuntu. So whatever the Linux it may be, the method is going to be the same. And yeah, I'm leaving it on. I'll be creating a new key pair. Key pair name is like YouTube test, and I'm going to leave as it is. So this is the main key file that you should be saved very secure. This is a key file that is used to log in into your EC2. So I'm putting in a desktop and I'm putting AWS key file and I'm saving as it is. I have saved it. Now for the purpose of just I'm ticking it and I'm going to configure as 30 GB for now, and I'm clicking on the launch instance. Yeah, so now my instance has been created. Now I'm going to my instance state. Yeah, still it is in a pending state, but I got an IP. Yeah, now my instance is up and running. Now we are going to connect using an SSH. For that, right click this instance and click on connect. Now select the tab SSH. Now it will produce a command for SSH-i and the command. So now I'm going to the terminal. First of all, I have put all my key files into the desktop folder, and under that I have an AWS key, and under that I will be having the key file. So first of all, I need to navigate to the corresponding directory. So I'm navigating to the desktop. I'm navigating to the AWS key files. Now if I put ls, yeah, so here is my key file. Now I'm going to paste the commands. So and then I'm going to type. Okay, so for the first time it is asking me yes or no. Okay. So what it says is our key file is too open for any user to access. So we need to protect our key file. So for this, right, you can simply put command called chmod 400. 400 means that is only accessible by you with the least permission. And I'm going to type my YouTube key file. Now I'm pressing the same command again. Yeah, so now I logged on to my EC2 instance. I hope you like this video. Please make sure to hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.